As I said, today the committee is marking up 12 bipartisan bills that come from 3 of our subcommittees. We'll begin with 8 bills out of our Health Subcommittee that will create research opportunities, provide support to the healthcare workforce, and expand access to important preventative services. From the research perspective, we'll consider the Shine for Automac. Sounds good. Shine for Automac, which seeks to improve research and data collection on stillbirths. The Carroll Act would expand research of valvular heart disease and its treatments in order to reduce cardiac deaths. The Improving the Health of Children Act reauthorizes the work and scope of the National Center on Birth Defects and Developmental Disabilities, and the Accelerating Access to Critical Therapies for ALS Act would help foster the development of safe and effective drugs for those afflicted by ALS. A number of bills will also strengthen our healthcare workforce. It's so important that we bolster resources for healthcare providers serving on the front lines and in need of greater mental and behavioral health support. And that's exactly what the Dr. Lorna Breen Healthcare Provider Protection Act would do. Meanwhile, the Allied Health Workforce Diversity Act will promote diversity within allied health professions in order to better foster a diverse and inclusive workforce. This is critical to increasing access to care and improving outcomes. And finally, we'll consider bills that will increase access to key preventative services. The Early Hearing Detection and Intervention Reauthorization Act and the Oral Health Literacy and Awareness Act support important auditory and oral health programs that will keep our children and families healthy. These bipartisan bills will help Americans access care and treatment when it's most effective. We'll also consider 2 bills out of our Communications and Technology Subcommittee. The Data Mapping to Save Moms' Lives Act requires the FCC to integrate data relating to maternal health into its connectivity maps. With the information this legislation provides, we can then explore broadband policies that will help keep more mothers and their newborn babies safe and healthy. The Spectrum Coordination Act would help improve the process for the FCC and the National Telecommunications and Information Administration to resolve disputes over our airwaves and ensure their efficient use. And finally, from the Consumer Protection and Commerce Subcommittee, we have 2 bills that will address problems that have become especially important during the COVID-19 pandemic. Online shopping has become the norm for so many people during the pandemic, but third-party marketplaces are major sources of fake and unsafe goods. The Informed Consumers Act will provide needed transparency for online third-party marketplaces to help prevent those fake and unsafe goods from getting into our homes. And the Restoring Brand USA Act will help bolster the U.S. travel industry, which has suffered immensely through the pandemic, helping to save small businesses and jobs across the country. So all 12 of these bills have bipartisan support. I thank our ranking member and both sides of the aisle for achieving this, and I strongly urge the committee to support these bills today.